When searching for HVAC installers, avoid these common mistakes. First, always check for proper licensing and insurance. Don't just choose the cheapest option. Compare quotes for quality too. Ask for references and read reviews. Prioritize experience and expertise. Lastly, ensure you get a written estimate and contract detailing the work. Curious about Collierville HVAC installers? Here are some frequently asked questions. They've been in business for 10 years, with certified technicians who receive regular training. They offer 24/7 emergency services and install various systems, including central air and heat pumps. Maintenance plans are available to keep your system efficient. Installations come with a comprehensive warranty, and free estimates are provided. Their team completes installations promptly without compromising quality. What sets them apart? Exceptional customer service, quality workmanship, and competitive pricing. To schedule an appointment, call 901-910-1231 or visit colliervillevac.com. For a free quote on your heating and air needs, contact them today. Thank you for considering Collierville HVAC installers for reliable service.